Welcome to Trade Pro. In this video, I'm going to test the MACD strategy 100 times in a row once again, but this time with a 3-to-1 reward risk ratio. I've done 1-to-1, I've done 2-to-1, but this time you win 3 if you win the trade and you lose 1 if you lose the trade. So let's see if you make more money trading with a better risk reward ratio. Or maybe you barely win any trades and it doesn't perform as well as a 2-to-1 or 1.5-to-1 reward risk ratio. But anyway, that's what we're here to find out. I'm going to test this 100 times in a row for you to see how it performs. Let me quickly show you the strategy, what a buy setup or a sell setup looks like, so you know if you haven't seen the strategy in the past. First of all, you're going to put your 200 EMA on and your MACD. You're going to be looking for buy trades only when price is trading above the 200 EMA, since we are trying to go with the trend. And then you're only looking for sells when price is trading below the 200 EMA. So what is a buy signal? Well, it's when the MACD crosses up. So for example, we have a cross up on the MACD here, and the cross is occurring below the zero line of the histogram. That is a must. So here's a buy signal right here. On this candle close, you would take your buy entry, and then you'd set your stop loss just below the nearest swing low. Now, with the 3-to-1 reward risk, you're going to set your target for 3 times risk. So this one would have been a nice winner. That's the basics. Now it's time to test this 100 times. I'm going to fast forward through all these tests and let you know the full results at the end. Let's get into it. The results are in. After 100 trades, 1-to-3 risk-reward ratio brought us winners 33, losses 67, giving it a win percentage of 33%. The most losses taken in a row was 7, and the most winners in a row was 4. The potential gain on your account could have been 32%, assuming perfect entries and no fees. So what is there to take away from these results? Well, it didn't perform as well as 2-to-1, and it did perform much better than 1-to-1. So what this tells us is there's a happy medium on risk to reward for this strategy. Somewhere between 1.5 and 2 risk reward ratio, we will have that happy medium. Perhaps it's 2.5, but we will have to do much more testing to determine the definitive result. So 100 isn't quite enough, but it does give us a good idea for how it will perform. So that's the result. Hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day. Thanks for watching.